is my 2021 science fair project. This year is a continuation from last year. And last year I built the torso portion of an exoskeleton, including the arms and from about here on up. This year I continued with this project, refining the torso and as well building legs from here down. With some custom machine parts and a few other little tweaks and dabs, I have made something truly remarkable. With this exoskeleton, you can lift heavier objects without exerting more force on your arms, carrying heavier objects easier for longer periods of time, and it's powered through a pneumatic compressor fed through a 5-gallon tank. There are 2 cylinders on each arm. Everything is controlled through this little ring, which is worn on your finger like so. Going around the back of the exoskeleton, we have the charging unit and the main brains of the exoskeleton. Inside of what I like to call the squirrel cage, we have the compressor, which is a large cylindrical shape. And that feeds into the large black 5-gallon pneumatic tank, which can hold up to 150 psi pressure. The touch screen, which is in the middle of the squirrel cage, is used for charging. This exoskeleton is powered through 2 batteries, a larger battery which runs the compressor, and then a smaller one which runs all the sub-circuits and subsystems. On the back there are 3 switches. The one on your left-hand side controls the pneumatic compressor. Flip that on and it will automatically start filling the tank. Once the tank is full, it automatically cuts off and refills when needed. The switch in the middle is for charging. And to be able to charge the exoskeleton, all you need to do is plug in a single wire into the wall. So the exoskeleton is actually controlled through a garage door remote, and that is what is built onto this ring. So inside of the exoskeleton there's a garage door opener and receiver that controls the arms and solenoid valves. The most weight I've ever lifted with this exoskeleton is 135 pounds. The exoskeleton includes many custom fabricated parts, such as the connections from the frame to the legs, which are a custom pair of fabricated, welded, and sanded leg connections. The exoskeleton is built and attached to a camping backpack frame, which allows for ultimate comfort. Over the past 2 years, I have spent many late nights working on this exoskeleton. It is taking me a very long time to get it to work just right, and there is still more tinkering to go. It's like refining the edge of a blade. It can always be slightly better. And so as I continue to develop this exoskeleton, there will be many great challenges I have to overcome.
Gladiator, 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 pick the fight with the gods, I'm the giant slayer, bone shaker, dominator, freight train, wrecking ball, I'm the gladiator, gladiator.
Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this project presentation.